Taxation Minister James Sangma has said that the state government would hold a meeting with the church leaders to discuss how to take things forward as far as Meghalaya Gaming Act is concerned. He said it is important for the government to listen to the concerns of the church leaders. The Kasi Jaintia Christian Leaders Forum recently organized a special prayer on Friday for the cessation of the casino gaming industry and the repeal of the related act.
I think that I appreciate the concerns of the forum, and I think that it's very important for us as a government to listen to any voice of concern that comes up by a group which represents the church. And I would like to also tell you this, that I will be setting up a meeting to discuss this issue with them and to see how we can take things forward.
NPP leader and cabinet